In a serene, quaint village nestled amid the lush greenery of a thick forest, there lived a man named Brian. He was known far and wide for his humble lifestyle and exceptional work ethic. Each day, as the morning mist slowly lifted from the forest floor, Brian would set out with his old iron axe, his heart content and his mind focused on the simple task ahead of him, chopping wood to earn a modest but satisfying living. One fateful day, while working diligently near the bank of a clear, flowing river, a small accident set his heart racing. The axe, his sole tool for livelihood, slipped from his grasp and disappeared beneath the water's surface. Worry gripped him as he searched in vain, the river's depth and current concealing his precious instrument from sight. Amid his despair, a wondrous sight emerged from the shimmering water. The river goddess, radiant and serene, appeared before him. She regarded Brian with a gentle smile, reflecting a celestial understanding of his plight and the goodness in his heart. It was as if her presence held the promise of hope. Miraculously, she dipped beneath the waves and soon returned, holding a magnificent golden axe. Brian, filled with surprise yet staying true to himself, shook his head, acknowledging with a humble heart that this was not his tool, though it glistened in the sunlight like a treasure beyond price. Undeterred, the goddess submerged again, this time bringing forth an axe of shimmering silver, a sight to behold, yet not of his belonging. Again, with the same honest heart, Brian refrained from accepting it. Finally, the rusted iron axe emerged, his own cherished tool, worn yet valuable in his eyes. Relief washed over Brian as he recognized it with gratitude. The goddess, moved by his unwavering honesty, bestowed upon him not only his iron axe, but also the golden and silver ones, rewarding his integrity with gifts beyond mere value. Back in the village, the axes gleamed in Brian's humble abode, eventually catching the eye of his friend Stephen. Stephen, driven not by need but by envy, concocted a plan to gain similar fortune. With eyes narrowed in a greedy anticipation, he deliberately tossed his new, unblemished axe into the river, assuming Brian's story could easily become his own. The river goddess came forth once more, her serene wisdom unclouded by Stephen's feigned despair. Producing the golden axe first, hope ignited in Stephen's greedy gaze. Her steady presence seemed an immutable force as she identified his deceit, leaving Stephen empty-handed in profound realization. As tales spread through the village, a deep understanding began to set roots in the hearts of the people. Brian's life continued, unchanged in its simplicity, yet enriched by the integrity he upheld. The villagers came to admire more than just his good fortune. They valued the strength of his character and the simple truth that honesty and hard work lead to a harmony richer than any treasure. The moral of the story? When we choose honesty and kindness, we embrace the true treasures of life. So remember, be honest, be kind, be you. Truth will always hold its light in the end.